Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use AI Detector Pro. If you're looking for a reliable AI text rewriter to overcome AI detection, this is a great tool for you to use, and we'll be going through the features in the next few minutes. So right here on the main page, you have some details or summary of what your account has, and on the left side, you have some of the other options, such as the reports, documents, and projects. Now the overview provides you with information about what has been AI generated and what has been human written. As you can see, for now it's 0% on both sides, and through use, some of these percentages will be changing. When we scroll down, we can see activity. Now here under activity, you can get information about the latest reports or the latest documents. And on the more, you have access to the features listed on the side panel, such as the reports and projects. Now on the top right corner, you have the option to upgrade or go ahead with a new AI scan. Now we're currently on the free plan, but if we go over to upgrade, we will be provided with the monthly and the yearly plans. Now right here, you can go ahead and analyze the different features depending on the plan. For example, the free plan has 3 scans, while the basic has 103 AI scans. Now the free is quite limited. It does allow you to have 3 AI scans, which we'll be trying in a bit. Then you have the unlimited, which of course has unlimited AI scans and unlimited humanizations. And then here we have the new AI scan. When we click on it, it takes you to reports, where you get to paste some text here and analyze. Now, if your document is in another language, you can go over here and click on the drop down where you can see a few other languages where you can try this out. We're going to be leaving it in English. So right now we're going to try it out and put in some text. So we have some text here and we're going to leave it in English and click on analyze. So it goes through some stages such as submitting, analyzing, and here you have your report. Now here you have the content and the AI scale and the time frame when it was generated. As you can see, this is 98% over 100, detecting it as AI. So when we click on the 3 dots, we have 5 options. We have the option to edit it, erase the AI, view it, open in a new tab, or delete it. Of course, if we click on view, we have an expanded rendering of this document. So at first, of course, it repeats that it's 98 over 100 with a warning that this content was most likely written by AI. And it says our analysis suggests that there is a 98% chance that the content you've entered was written by an AI algorithm. Now, when we scroll down, it's going to give you more expanded information about the parts of this content that is AI generated. Now, with each paragraph, it tells you that this paragraph exhibits clear signs of being written by AI. And this repeats pretty much down to the end. You can also see the intensity of the AI influence by the color of the text. So for example, you have it in black, you have it in red, and you have it in yellow. Of course, with the red showing the extremity of the use of AI. Now, when we scroll down, it also has some other stats. And here in the stats, it gives you an idea of how it got to its score. For example, you want to take the tonal analysis of this document, for example. It gives you some information about the tone of this document and what you need to know. It also helps you to see additional statistics of how AI Detector Pro uses the different signals available at its disposal to determine whether it's AI or human. Now we're going to go over to the option to open with AI Eraser. Of course, you could click right here, or you could click over here. Right away, we're going to open with AI Eraser. Now, this is where the power of AI Detector Pro is awesome. Now, on this page, we don't just get to see the AI detection, we also have the option to humanize this text. Now, on the main side of this page, we can see the document in an editor. You have some basic features here where you can select and actually change the font style. You also can make some customizations to your text, but this is not what we're going to do now. We're going to look over to the right side where we have the AI detected, of course, and then we'll scroll down. Here we have the eraser tools. Now currently you have 2 options. You have the option to make it more human or to make it a better writing. Now, because it detected this document as extremely AI at 98%, we're going to take it to the extreme left where it has a more human touch. Now, before we press this, you have the legend, of course, which we explained before, where you have red, orange, yellow, or blue, highlight, and bold. You also have the option to suggest paragraph humanization. So when we click on it, it's going to give us this notification that you must select a paragraph to get suggestions. Okay, so we're going to go over to the top and then we're going to go for the first paragraph where we've just selected and click on suggest paragraph humanization. Now you want to take note that the suggest paragraph humanization is for the paid plan. So when we scroll down, you can see alternatives to this paragraph. And then of course it reminds you that humanization are available for paid plans only. Then when we scroll down to the legend, it gives us the idea of the different colors and what they mean. Basically the legend. So red means words are most likely AI. And when words are marked with orange, it means that it is less likely to be AI. And then words highlighted in blue and bold, this means that these words are GPT overused words. And you have the other descriptions according to how they appear. Now, after you've made some edits here, you have the option to rescan document for AI. And then when you click on this, it's definitely going to have a difference in the number from 98% to hopefully way less. Now, if you'd like to reduce your workload to speed things up, you have the option to click on Show Top Priority Edit. Now, what this does is basically like a filter. So it's basically telling the AI Detector Pro to only show what is definitely going to come off as an AI text. So when we click on this, you can see that it says, this is the highest priority paragraph. Consider editing it first to reduce the AI score. So if you want to improve the rating, you're going to have to start with the first paragraph. Then you also have the basic markup and the full markup. With the basic, you're actually telling it to filter only the basic markup. And with the full markup, you're asking it to show advanced markup. And now we're going to go over to documents. Now, when we're in documents, you're going to enter the title of the document. For example, we have the name as sample document and we're going to click on add. So previously we were looking at reports and now we're in documents. Now here on the document, you have a more expanded option for customizations. Now on the top ribbon, you can see the options which you would see in your basic text editor. But here you can see scan selection for AI, clear AI markup and humanized selection. So say we have this document here, we can select scan selection for AI, clear. So right away with this document again, we're going to go ahead and click on scan for AI. You could click on it here or over here. So we're going to click on this and wait for it to work. Again, we have a 98% AI because it's the same document. And then here again, we have the option just like the reports to humanize it, either by making it a better writer or a more human writer. So we can take this to the extreme left to greatly reduce this from 98%. Again, you will need a paid plan to make this work. And then with the gauge at more human, you can go ahead and click on humanize. You also have the option to spin this. Basically what the spin does is it rearranges the sentence or paragraphs to help with editing. Now, after you follow these steps to make some humanizations on this document to improve it, you can go ahead again and scan for AI, which we can expect to reduce from 98%. Through use of these tools here for customization, you can definitely succeed at making this less of an AI written document. And after you've scanned this document and it gets to your comfortable level, you can go ahead and save this document. As you can see with the 2 scans, we've used up 2 of our AI scans for the month, which comes with a free plan. And of course, when we click on project, we can see a breakdown of all we've done on AI Detector Pro. So in summary, we've just shown you how to use AI Pro for your reports and for your documents. When you're using the paid plan, the features are practically endless in improving the quality of your written document or your written reports. We hope this clears a lot about how to use AI Detector Pro as a reliable AI text rewriter to overcome any AI detection so you can go ahead and use AI with more of a human touch.